Hello everyone and welcome to the new episode. It's me Vasily, and today I will be cycling around Urbino and in the nearby places actually, and on the hills. So Urbino is a very nice city. I made also some shots from the drone and I will show it to you. And Urbino actually it's played big role in Renaissance era, and Titian and Raphael paintings actually are also in the gallery of Urbino. So it's quite small city. It's like 14,000 people population, and it's built on the hill and wall, so it's kind of located on the top. As you can see behind me, there is the city center. Yeah, it's not very early today. Today is Sunday, so I started like 5 something from home, from hotel, and just took some time to drive here and to drive to Urbino. And I have planned like 70-kilometer route today. So let's see. My bike is fixed. It should be fully okay to go on the hills, and let's see how it goes. Unfortunately, I will not go during this trip to visit Pantani's monument in the northern part of Italy, but maybe next time. So, but today we are inland, so and have opportunity to enjoy the views and the cities here. Interested on this road. I have seen cyclists and motorcyclists. Cars, no. Maybe just 1 or 2. Looks like bikers like this road. I was wondering why my GPS says come here and then go back. Because of the view. Just want to show you it's 35.7, but just recently it was showing plus 40 degrees on the sun. And this one is Peglio. Also some town on top of the hill and the valley around, or valleys around. And now another climb. Let's see, we went a little bit down. In the valley it's plus 31 degrees, while on top of the mountain it was plus 40. And it's only 10 a.m. now. Nice. So now I will be going down. I don't know if it is that road or maybe around the hill and come into that lake in the valley. Okay, wrong group. Okay, good that I noticed now and not when I'm down. And Urbino is on one of the hills, so there will be one more climb, quite long, before I can finish today's route. Nice that you can get water, so just refilling my bottles, refreshing myself and continue. So I have 42 kilometers and I think it's 30 more to go. So very hot weather, but as usual very nice views. Hope you also enjoy this vlog. Let me know what you think in the comments. So the last climb and I'm back to Urbino, but meanwhile just stopped here to show you this monument or art installation. Yeah, going this uphill is very challenging already because it's plus 37 and I'm running out of water, and it's 8-kilometer climb, so since I'm already a bit tired, 8-kilometer climb, yeah, the grade is not large, but you're just going up, and starts to be pretty exhausting. just saw this sunflower field and stopped here to make a break and also to film a little bit. So, but yeah, see you on top of the hill in Urbino. Okay, I'm back at the starting point. Found some restaurant on the way and got some water, otherwise it would be very rough. Was very good route, very tired. I think it took much more time than I planned. It took 5 hours 50 minutes, but I was filming and okay, I started at 8 a.m. I was thinking to go to the gallery here to see the paintings, but I don't know, I'm so exhausted, so maybe next time. But I hope you enjoyed the episode, the views and my impressions about this trip. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave your comment, and see you in the next episode.